I don't want to go crawling, and they said no, our life has become from bedroom to dining room.
That's nice, good, right.
So
right. Apart from surgery, आपका confidence भी बहुत चाहिए ना.
देखो पेशेंट के ऊपर भी है.
That is most important. अगर आपको हम वीडियो में निकाले तो दूसरों की हिम्मत दिला देंगे.
ये समझना
नॉर्मल
नहीं हुआ. ये
Enthusiasm is needed. अभी क्या ये एज में भी आप इतना एक्टिव है. यंगस्टर्स अभी थोड़े लोग 40-50 में पूरा बैठ जाते
ये नहीं खाया ना साबुन.
we came to know about the Germanten Hospital through newspaper, and I was struggling since last 6 months to sort of get rid of this knee problem without surgery. Then I decided that there is no point in crawling the rest of my life, and I must go for the surgery. And the first day we came to this hospital, I was very much impressed by the courtesy and the care the entire staff took. I was really surprised that such a hospital exists in Hyderabad, but people don't know much about it. I would request the hospital, your administration, to put more publicity. Though when I came here, I find that there is a lot of crowd and a lot of people who are coming and taking their problem here and getting cured. I am very, very thankful, and the best part is that they take care of the post-operation like physiotherapy and all that. They arrange, and I am very lucky that I am having a very good physiotherapist under Dr. Prasad Rao, Ms. Pravalika, and she is really taking me through the motions, and very strict, but very you can say emphatic. I once again thank. It's only 15 days. My progress as per your observation is quite good. I might also feel that I should be able to recover in 6 weeks. Thank you very, very much, Dr. Wahab and all the staff. Namaskar.
Germanten.